So on today's okay, these gloves need to go. Yeah, no gloves today, guys. I got these at a very good low price deal. They was on sale, and I guess you get what you pay for because they just already formed. But they was cheap. I could use this glove, but I could use this one. My hand actually is actual hand shaped, but I don't know. We do this one without the gloves. So today's unboxing video is going to be on the BUGHA LED gaming headset. LED now, basically RGB for, it ain't really RGB, kinda is. But let's open it up, see what we got. Any minute now it will be open. Couple of minutes. Okay, it is open, but before we unbox it, let's check out the back. We got RGB LED lighting. It's adjustable. Volume controls, on and off switch, 2 in 1. It's pretty cool. Braided cable, USB connector, PC connectors, adjustable headset. Yeah. Now, I reviewed other products from this line. You can get them at Five Below or online. This set of headphones is only $10. So, what do we expect for $10? Let's see. You open it up. You get an instruction booklet down inside the box and a collectible card, and basically it says thank you. Pretty cool, ain't it? Instructions. It's basically headset instructions. Put them on your head, volume control. That's about it. Okay, picking them up. They weigh about a couple ounces. The clamping force is going to be pretty tight. We don't know that till we put them on. This is adjustable, which is kind of cool, but it does sound kind of rough, if you hear that. Sounds like the headset is passing gas. Speakers, foam pads. These don't feel too bad. They $10 feeling if that's it. The cable is braided. This is the volume control knob. The wheel feels extremely good. The volume knob feels pretty good too. Braided cable. Do this. Plenty of length to this anyways. Looks to be about a 4 or 5 foot cable. Probably tells us on the box. Yep, 4.9 feet. We got an adapter here. It goes into a 3.5 millimeter jack, or you can just use both of them. Here, is it USB too? Yep, you can use USB with it. This is probably for the RGB. We gotta try them out, see how it is. So, these are adjustable up here, but they very, very, how can I explain it, not user friendly. Not for a adult, at least. Not for me. My ears is mashed right against the speakers, mashed in. These would be a good headset, definitely if you got a kid that don't take care of stuff. These is only $10. Kids kind of just toss everything everywhere and don't put nothing up, so be great for that. Or if you're a gamer and you actually don't have a headset, or yours messed up and you really can't afford that $60 to $100 headset, this headset might be for you. The sound, it sounds like $10. Don't expect much from this headset. The mic, average, $10 again. Can't expect much. Ain't much I can say. The headset's RGB is not adjustable. It is nice to look at. Other than that, there ain't much going on for this headset. It's just $10, so what would I give this 1 out of 10? The headset's maybe a high 2, maybe a 3, low 3. It ain't mind blowing. It gets the job done. Be great for kids who getting into gaming or streaming. It'd be great if you're on a budget and you just need something to talk to your friends and enjoy the game. Because some games, isn't about healing for themselves. It's more of just being there with your buddies, having a good time. This headset could definitely pull that off. So, if you use this headset or any experience with this headset, let me know in the comment section below. Enjoy hearing from everyone, and check out my channel for new content if you're new here. I try to upload a new video every single day, so there's always something new on. So check back, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.